Welcome to Pro Master Engineering channel. In this video we will learn the pipe sizes, pipe types, outside-inside diameters, pipe schedule and another pipe standards. This video is very useful information for pipe fitters. You will learn more skills about the pipe dimensions by watching the video till the end. A good knowledge of pipe dimensions and types helps to pipe fitters succeed in the job interviews. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to be notified of our new piping tutorial videos in time. Let's start pipe tutorial video. The pipes are a system of material used to transport gas, water, oils and other liquids from one point to the other. In order to learn the pipe completely, it is necessary to know its length, outer diameter, inner diameter, wall thickness and material. To find the pipe size, you need to measure the outside diameter. Measuring pipe size is an important skill for pipe fitters. This is outside diameters of pipe. This is inside diameter of pipe. This is wall thickness of pipe. This length of pipe. In order to find the wall thickness of the pipe, it is necessary to take out the inner diameter of the pipe from the outside diameter of the pipe and divide the result into two places. The pipes can be made in a variety of materials, in different types and sizes and may be manufactured to common national standards. The pipes are produced in two types: a seamless pipes and welded pipes. A seamless steel pipe has no seams, as the name indicates, and produced via hot rolling and cold rolling. A welded pipe, a manufacturing procedure that leaves a seam on the pipe's body. Piping standards from standardization organizations as ANSI, American National Standards Institute, ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, DIN, Deutsches Institut für Normung, the German Institute for Standardization, ISO, the International Organization for Standardization. Many of us refer to pipe size in terms of nominal pipe size, NPS, nominal bore, NB, and nominal diameter, DN. What is nominal pipe size, NPS? Nominal pipe size, or NPS, is a pipe size standard used in the United States for various piping systems. The pipe size is measured and indicated in NCH. Nominal pipe size only pertains to the pipe's outside diameter. Nominal pipe size, NPS, is the number that defines the size of the pipe. For example, this is 6-inch pipe view. When you say 6-inch pipe, the 6-inch is the nominal size of that pipe. In here, this outside diameter, this is inside diameter. So, the NPS will be somewhere in between OD and ID of the pipe. However, for the pipe sizes, NPS 14 and above outside diameter is the same as NPS. What is nominal bore, NB? A European standard for indicating pipe size is a nominal bore or NB. In the context of pipes, the terms bore and nominal refers to hollow structures, respectively. The pipe's nominal bore is its estimated internal measurement throughout its diameter. In other words, a nominal bore refers to the pipe's bore's approximation in size. So, nominal bore size of pipe equal inside diameters of pipe. What is nominal diameter, DN? DN or diameter nominal is an international designation, SI or metric designator, and a European NPS equivalent to show pipe sizes. The metric unit system uses nominal diameter, sometimes known as diameter nominal, DN. The pipe's inner diameter, ID, and outside diameter, OD, are not equal to the nominal diameter. Diameter nominal is a designation used internationally to indicate pipe sizes. Pipes with the following composition are mostly used in production. Carbon steel pipe material grades are API 5L grade B, X42 to X70, ASTM A106B. Low-temperature carbon steel pipe material grade is ASTM A333 grade 6. Chromium molybdenum pipe material grade is alloy steel is 4130. Stainless steel pipe material grades are 304 and 316L. And super duplex pipe materials grades are 2205 and the 2507. What does pipe schedule mean? As measured in the schedule, two non-dimensional numbers, pipe diameter and wall thickness, are used to identify certain pipes, SCH. Pipe schedule, SCH, is the term used to define a pipe's wall thickness. Pipe schedule number is the standard method to define the thickness of the pipes used in pipe fabrication. Differing schedules can result in different wall thicknesses in two pipes of the same diameter. Therefore, if someone is choosing a pipe for a high-pressure application, they will choose a higher number, which indicates a more expansive schedule, wall thickness. Let's look at the pipe dimension chart. In use today are the following pipe schedules: 5, 5S, 10, 10S, 20, 30, 40, 40S, 60, 80, 80S, 100, 120, 140, 160, STD, XS, and XXS. SCH40 is the most popular pipe schedule. For example, 4-inch pipe. Schedule 40, wall thickness is 6.02 mm 4-inch pipe. Schedule 80, wall thickness is 8.56 mm. 6-inch pipe. Schedule XS, wall thickness is 10.97 mm. 6-inch, Schedule XXS, wall thickness is 21.95 mm. Additionally, the letter S is added as a suffix after the number to define stainless steel piping schedules. For example, 2-inch stainless steel pipe. Schedule 10s, wall thickness is 2.77 mm, 2-inch stainless steel pipe. Schedule 80s, wall thickness is 5.54 mm. In this table has been given that summarizes the available schedule numbers for carbon steel and stainless steel pipe based on ASME B36.10 and B36.19. We learned that as the schedule number of the pipe increases, so does its wall thickness. The video is finished here. If you like our video, please write your thoughts in the comments section below. In this channel, we are sharing videos about piping isometric and pipe fittings for helping pipe fitters. Please subscribe to our channel so that our videos reach more pipe fitters. Don't forget to like our video. Thank you for watching.